In this quick update, we're going to be taking a look at ACH or Alchemy Pay and its current price action here on the hourly chart. We might take a look at the 4-hour chart and zoom out a little bit as well. We will be formulating a possible price target here for the short term for ACH or Alchemy Pay, or short-term price prediction for Alchemy Pay. So make sure that you do stick around for the whole video so you don't miss out on any of the juicy price analysis. Plus, like I said, guys, it's going to be a very quick, short update, so shouldn't be no problem to just hang out through the whole video, come down and check out some of my other updates. Decide if you'd like to hit that subscribe button if you're new and join the community here on YouTube. Destroying that like button for the algorithm really helps out a lot. I do appreciate the support very, very much. Hope you guys are ready, and we'll jump right into the video. So guys, if you've been following my channel here and my analysis here on ACH or Alchemy Pay, you do know that the targets I've been putting in recently have been quite accurate. You can see that previously here we had this wedge pattern with this measured move and a target of close to 13.5 cents there. And you can see that that target was actually hit very nicely right here. We went up just barely above my target there before seeing this pullback and this retrace. So this target, in my opinion, was absolutely hit. And you can see now that Alchemy Pay or ACH is starting to put in, or has put in, a similar pattern as before. And it does look as though we have already broken out of that pattern. It does look like we've also caught a nice amount of support there on our moving averages. So this is bullish in my opinion, guys. Although you can see that we are catching resistance, which I mentioned this, or I showed this, pointed this out in the thumbnail image. There is some resistance there at 12 cents, guys. We are catching some slight resistance there. And that is your previous support and resistance from back here, as well as previous support and resistance from back here. So we are catching some slight resistance perfectly there on my trend line there at 12 cents. So there is the possibility that we see a small pullback here with that resistance. But guys, honestly, that pullback would likely just get you down here to retest your EMAs for support once again, or retest 10 cents down here for support. Then again, if that does break, guys, you could come a little bit lower. In my opinion, you could come down here to about 8 cents. Okay, so to the downside there, I believe around 8 cents is a good possibility, or 10 cents. If 10 cents doesn't hold, then 8 cents would be my next swing low there to the downside. But next, what I'm going to do is go ahead and put this trend line in here, or this measure move in here of this potential pattern that we have. Keep in mind that this is not financial or investment advice. You should invest at your own risk and do your own research, guys. But we can speculate this measured move here, as you do see Alchemy Pay is breaking out of this pattern right now. So let's go ahead and put this measure move in and see where that would get us. And we can bring it over here to from the top to the bottom of our pattern here and see where this gets us when we drag it to the breakout point. And that looks like about 14 cents, guys. So basically this measured move of this current pattern that we're in for the short term here on the hourly chart, guys, as Alchemy Pay has broken out, this measure move lines you up with about 14 cents, which is your previous top back here, right? That's your previous top. So that would make sense to come up and retest that previous level of resistance from this downtrend right here, right? Would make sense to come up and retest it. Now we could actually break through that. If we get enough momentum here to the upside, we could definitely break through that. And the next level that I'd pay attention to, guys, which is right there close to it, that's this previous resistance from back here that I have circled. And that's these two trend lines here in between $15 and $16. Or excuse me, cents, guys. Cents, 15 and 16 cents, guys. Lots of different coins, lots of different price analysis. Sometimes I get confused with my dollars and cents. But yes, I do believe, even though this measure move says 14 cents there, not dollars yet for Alchemy Pay, yet. 14 cents there for Alchemy Pay for this measure move here currently. That's being conservative, right? My guess is that if we could break through all this resistance here, that we would actually come on up to $15 or $16, which is that previous resistance from the previous price action. And like I said, guys, if we were to break bearish here after catching this small amount of resistance here at 12 cents, I honestly believe, guys, that the lowest ACH is going to go at this point after you can see that we did break below this support down here, and we went down to about 6 cents or so. But honestly, I don't even think that ACH is going to go that low again. At least not here in the short term. Not with this action happening here in the price. But I do believe it's possible, and it's a likely possibility, that if it does catch resistance here, and we fail to fulfill this measured move, and we get pulled back here, that we come down to these green trend lines for a bounce, which that's right there around 7.5 cents, guys. So right there around 7.5 cents, in my opinion, would be a good possibility for a bounce to the downside for Alchemy Pay or ACH. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick update on Alchemy Pay or ACH. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button before you head out. Definitely come join the community here on YouTube by smashing that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Check out some of these other updates that I've done. Lots of good price coverage here. Lots of short-term price action as well. So lots of timely, time-sensitive updates. So make sure you hit that notification bell and join the Discord. And check out the links in the description for other ways you can help support the channel and join the community. Love you guys. Hope you have a wonderful day. And I hope to see you in the next one.